Hello students, how are you? I'm Bhavya. Welcome to my channel Bhavya Physics. Today we are going to discuss solutions to some numericals of one-dimensional motion or motion in a straight line. So this video is helpful for class 9 as well as class 11 students or first PU students. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get the notification of all my videos. And your little support means a lot for me. So please do subscribe and comment in the comment section that how you are finding this video. If this is helpful, please share it with your friends. The first question is like this. A body starts from rest and moving with a velocity of 12 meter per second in 5 seconds. So you have to calculate acceleration and distance covered by the body in 5 seconds. So the question is to find acceleration as well as distance covered by the body in 5 seconds. So if the body starts from rest means initially it is at rest. So that means what will be the initial velocity? U is 0. As it is moving, it acquires a velocity of 12 meter per second, that is a final velocity. Okay, and time is given 5 seconds. Note down the given data first. And which will be the useful formula here? So time is given, velocity, final velocity, initial velocity is known means you can use this formula to find out acceleration. If distance is known, then you can use this formula to find out acceleration. Okay. So let us use this formula. A is equal to V minus U by T. So acceleration is 12 minus 0 divided by 5, which is 12 minus 0 is 12 only. So therefore you can write 12 by 5. So 5 2s are 10, 2 remaining 20, 5 4s are. So that is 2.4 meter per second square. And one more student, if you write only the number, it has no value, you should write the proper unit. So meter per second square is a unit of acceleration. To find out distance covered, use this formula ut plus half at square. Suppose if t is not given, then you can use this formula to find out distance covered. So here u is 0, therefore the first term will be 0. 0 into anything is 0, no need of writing that. Now half acceleration is just now we calculated 2.4 and t is 5, 5 square is 25. So just multiply this which is 1.2 into 25, 25 into 2 by 4 by 2 is 1.2. 25 ones are 25 and 0.2. So that is 25 into 0.2. 0.2 into 25 is 5. So that is adding, you will get 30. So 30 meter is the answer. The next question is, a bus is moving in a straight road with a speed of 126 km per hour. So you can write this kilometer per hour like this or just write kmph. And you have to convert this 1 kilometer per hour to meter per second. So how to convert to meter per second? So here meter per second is a SI unit. Kilometer per hour is not a SI unit. So you need to convert. See 1 kilo. Kilo means 10 to the power 3. You write 3 zeros. 1000 meter per means divided by 1 hour. 1 hour is 60 minutes. 1 minute is 60 seconds. Okay, so that is 3600 seconds. So 2 zeros you cancel like this. 10 by 10 divided by 36. That is 2 5s are 218. That means 1 kilometer per hour is equal to 5 by 18 meter per second. So after writing the given data, you have to convert this into meter per second like this. Okay. 126 into 5 by 18. So solving you will get it is 35 meter per second. So the question is, a bus is moving in a straight road with a speed of 126 km per hour is brought to rest after traveling 200 meter. Calculate acceleration and time taken by bus to come to rest. So here time is unknown for us, distance is given. So to find out acceleration, we are using this relation. Acceleration is v square minus u square divided by 2x. And here, say brought to rest after traveling certain distance, if the object comes to rest means final velocity will be 0. V is 0. So 0 square is 0. So that's why first term is 0. Okay. Minus second term is 35 square divided by 2 into x is 200. So 35 square, how to calculate 35 square, which is 5 square is 25 and 3 square. So here 3 add 1 to 3, that is 4, 4 3s are 12. So I have uploaded one video in Vedic Maths. So like this, how to find out square of the number which ends with 5. Okay. So please go through that. Now into 400. 400 divided by 5 and you will get this answer as 3.06. 3.06 meter per second square. And here there is a minus, so write minus. And we are expecting negative because the velocity goes on decreasing. As velocity decreases, acceleration is called as retardation or deceleration or negative acceleration. So we are expecting minus value. Then to find out time, let us use this formula. V minus u by t is a. So therefore t is equal to v minus u by a. Substitute v as 0 minus u is 35 divided by acceleration is minus 3.06. On solving, you will get it as 11.4 second. Minus minus cancel, which is 11.4 second. Our question is, there is a car which is traveling at 9 meter per second, accelerate and attains a speed of 27 meter per second in 5 seconds. Calculate acceleration and distance covered in 5 seconds. A car is traveling at 9 meter per second. So that is initial velocity 9 meter per second. Accelerate and attains a speed of 27. So that is a final velocity. So you should be in a position of identifying the physical quantity given in the numerical. So initially if it is moving with some speed means that is an initial velocity. And if the body comes to rest means final velocity will be 0. Or if the body starts from rest means initial velocity is 0. But in this particular question, so both are there. So it is moving with traveling at a 9 meter per second and accelerate and attains a speed of 27 meter per second. So both are given in 5 seconds. So time is 5 seconds. So you have to calculate acceleration as well as distance covered. So since this is say a direct question, v minus u by t is acceleration. V is 27 minus 9 divided by 5 is acceleration. So comment your answer in comment section, how much you got. And x is, what is the formula to find out x? So you can use any one of the formula to find out x. Either use this formula ut plus half at square or use this formula v square is equal to u square plus 2ax. So comment your answer in comment section. Next question. Brakes are applied to a car traveling at 30 meter per second. Its velocity reduces to 20 meter per second in 5 seconds. Calculate retardation produced by the brake and also calculate the distance covered in 5 seconds. See here, brakes are applied. Once if you apply a brake, car comes to rest. So that means here which is given that the car is traveling at 30 meter per second, which is a initial velocity 30 meter per second. And it is not coming to rest, its velocity reduces to 20. So that is a final velocity reduces to 20 meter per second. And it happens within 5 seconds. And you have to calculate retardation. So retardation is nothing but the negative acceleration as well as the distance covered. Distance covered. So acceleration is v minus u by t, that is 20 minus 30 divided by 5. So that is minus 10 by 5, which is minus 2 meter per second square. 2 meter per second square is acceleration, which is retardation, and x is equal to, so let us use this formula, v square is equal to u square plus 2ax, or 2ax can be written as v square minus u square, or you can write x as v square minus u square divided by 2a. So where b is 20, square it, so 20 square minus 30 square divided by 2 into 2. So that is minus 2. 2 into minus 2. So x is equal to 2 square is 4, 20 square is 400, 10 square is 00, 3 square is 9, 10 square is 00, which is 900, minus 4. So which is minus 500 by minus 4, minus minus cancel, and here it is 125 meter. 125 meter. See how to solve this? 4 into 100 is 400. 25 fours are 100. So 400 plus 100 is 500. So it is 125 meter. And here A should be negative here because it is retardation. Hence you have to substitute negative. If you forget to substitute negative, you will get the number in negative because minus 500 is there. Numerator is negative. If you keep negative by, if you forget to substitute negative in the denominator, then x will be negative, right? So which is not possible because you are calculating the distance covered, which is not possible. So hence here you have to write minus 4, and on solving you will get, so here negative cancel and you will get 125 meter. Like this, I solved 4 questions of motion in a straight line or one-dimensional motion numericals, which are based on these formulas. Please go through these formulas, very simple formula. Practice these formulas. This video is helpful. Share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching.